In the state of full enlightenment, you recognize that experience itself is inherently pure, perfect, and complete. This means that, right now, this entire field of your experience and everything that is within it is pure, perfect, and complete. This purity, perfection, and completeness is the natural or original state of experience. We could also call this its true nature. What this means, therefore, is that the point of your spiritual practice is to see experience itself in its natural or original state, or to know its true nature. The point of your practice is not ultimately to give you new experiences, however spiritual they may seem to be. You've likely had many spiritual experiences already, but you still might not know experience itself. You might not be able to see experience as it truly is. You might not yet recognize the inherent purity, perfection, and completeness of your experience right now. In brief, this is the difference between the enlightened and the non-enlightened. The enlightened are able to recognize experience for what it is. The non-enlightened may have had many spiritual experiences, but they haven't yet become acquainted with experience itself.